Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of production machines. These incredible machines are the backbone of many industries, helping to produce everything from cars to smartphones. Did you know that a single production machine can churn out thousands of items per day? That's right. These machines are designed to be efficient, reliable, and durable. They're also incredibly versatile, able to produce a wide range of products. From the assembly line to the factory floor, production machines are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They help to keep our economy running smoothly and ensure that we have the products we need. You know, it's incredible to think that just a few decades ago, our world was a very different place. We didn't have the advanced technology we do today, and our workforce was vastly different. But thanks to the invention of production machines, we've been able to streamline our processes and make our lives easier. These machines are designed to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up our time to focus on more complex and creative work. They're also incredibly efficient, helping us to produce more in less time. So, whether you're a business owner, a worker, or just someone who's curious about the world around us, we hope you've enjoyed this little glimpse into the world of production machines. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep exploring.